Hey everyone, this Tech in 2 is about the Google Sheets add-on for Mule, which is a really nice mail merge function. And on my example, I am using the Great American Race from a previous tech tip, and you put your students' names in and their emails, and then you can send individualized emails with their assigned topic for the race. So once that's all set up, you're going to go ahead to Mule and click Setup and choose Dataset and Merge Type. And it takes it a little bit to get itself going and read the form. And you're going to select its source. In this case, it's Sheet 1. I only have Sheet 1. And you can set it to run on time triggers and form triggers. Again, similar to Autocrat, but the difference is that Mule does not require you to have a document to merge. It creates an email. And you can create separate templates for different rows. In this case, I'm going to use one template. I'm going to send the same kind of email to everybody, just individualized based on these fields. So I'm going to save my template settings, and I'm going to then move on to Edit Template. And here's where I can build and edit my template. And I actually started this one, and so it has two. Obviously, I'm going to put the email in there. I'm not going to CC. I've given myself a subject line. And I am saying hello, and to whomever it is assigned to, your slide title is answer number blah, and your topic is answer blah. And then I can save and preview, so Isaac Newton will get an email that looks like this, and you can add whatever you want in there. And once it's looking the way you want it to look, you just go ahead and click Save and Send All, and you can see I sent one to myself. So while it's doing that, you can see that I had these two sent, and I got error messages here because I didn't have a recipient specified. But if I check my email, I will have an email sent to me, and it tells me that my slide answer is 2 and that I will be researching this mission. So again, Mule, super easy, great tool to expedite some of the work that we're doing. Hopefully this was helpful. And you can tech on without fear.